Welcome to this video where we'll be exploring what happened to our planet Earth during the first few minutes of the dinosaur extinction. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck our planet, causing a catastrophic event that wiped out over 75% of all plant and animal species, including the dinosaurs, which had dominated the Earth for over 150 million years. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what happened during the first few minutes of this catastrophic event and its aftermath. We'll explore the impact of the asteroid, the creation of the Chicxulub crater, the global firestorm that followed, and the consequences that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs and many other species. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating story of what happened to our planet during this critical moment in its history. Imagine the world as you know it suddenly coming to an end. That's what happened 66 million years ago when a massive asteroid struck our planet, causing the extinction of the dinosaurs and many other species. The asteroid, estimated to be about 10 to 15 kilometers wide, struck the Earth at a speed of around 20 kilometers per second. The impact was equivalent to the explosion of millions of nuclear bombs, causing a massive shockwave that traveled through the Earth's crust, igniting wildfires and triggering earthquakes. The shockwave was so powerful that it created a hole in the Earth's crust, which we now know as the Chicxulub crater, located in what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The crater is estimated to be about 180 kilometers wide and 20 kilometers deep. The impact released an immense amount of energy equivalent to several billion Hiroshima bombs. It vaporized the asteroid and created a massive fireball that rose high into the atmosphere, triggering a global firestorm that swept across the Earth's surface. The firestorm was fueled by the debris and dust thrown up into the atmosphere by the impact. It was so intense that it would have caused the extinction of many species, including the dinosaurs, within minutes. The dinosaurs, which had dominated the Earth for over 150 million years, were particularly vulnerable to the effects of the impact. The intense heat and shockwave would have killed many of them outright, while the global firestorm would have destroyed their habitat and food sources. The impact caused the extinction of about 75% of all plant and animal species on Earth, including the dinosaurs. The surviving species had to adapt to the new environment, which was marked by a global winter that lasted for several years. The global winter was caused by the dust and debris thrown up into the atmosphere by the impact. It blocked out the sun's rays, causing a dramatic drop in temperature and disrupting the global climate. The disruption of the global climate led to the extinction of many species that were not directly affected by the impact. The global winter caused a reduction in photosynthesis, which affected the food chain and led to the collapse of ecosystems. The impact also caused massive tsunamis that swept across the oceans, flooding coastal areas and causing further damage to the environment. The tsunamis would have wiped out many marine species, further disrupting the global ecosystem. The aftermath of the impact lasted for several years, during which the surviving species had to adapt to the new environment. The global climate eventually stabilized, but the Earth had been forever changed. The extinction of the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of mammals, including humans. It also marked the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. Today, we are still uncovering new evidence about the impact and its aftermath. Scientists continue to study the Chicxulub crater and the geological record to learn more about this catastrophic. Thank you for tuning in to this video where we've explored what happened to the Earth during the first few minutes of dinosaur extinction. As we've learned, The extinction of the dinosaurs was a catastrophic event that occurred approximately 66 million years ago. Scientists believe that a massive asteroid impact, measuring approximately 6 miles in diameter, struck the Earth in what is now the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. This impact caused a catastrophic chain of events that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs and nearly 3/4 of all life on Earth. The first few minutes of the impact were incredibly destructive. The asteroid hit the Earth with a force of billions of atomic bombs, creating an enormous crater that is over 100 miles wide. The impact generated a massive shockwave that spread out from the impact site, causing destruction and fires over thousands of miles. In addition to the immediate impact of the asteroid, the event also caused massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The intense heat generated by the impact caused wildfires to break out across the globe, and the resulting ash cloud blocked out the sun, causing temperatures to plummet and a global winter to set in. This rapid and catastrophic series of events would have had a devastating impact on the ecosystems of the time, causing widespread extinctions and fundamentally altering the course of evolution on Earth. While the extinction of the dinosaurs was a tragic event, it also paved the way for the rise of mammals, including humans, to eventually become the dominant species on Earth. Thank you for joining me in exploring what happened to the Earth during the first few minutes of dinosaur extinction. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.